The Happy Beak Playpen was developed by Happy Beak in response to a pattern we repeatedly see in companion parrots presenting with behavioural and hormonal disorders. In practice, the results have gone well beyond our expectations. Owners often tell us that we return not just calmer birds, but birds that seem more emotionally settled, more active in a healthy way, and easier to live with. Within our team, there's even a light-running joke that the playpen is prescribed by Dr. Rob Marshall, said with a smile, but grounded in very real clinical outcomes. The playpen isn't about training tricks, it's about restoring the environmental inputs parrots need to regulate their bodies and behaviour. Many birds showing hypersexual behaviour or ovarian hyperactivity live almost entirely indoors, with limited natural light, restricted movement, and little opportunity for appropriate social exposure. These conditions place real strain on hormonal regulation. The playpen provides supervised outdoor exposure to natural sunlight, supporting proper vitamin D synthesis, along with real flight, climbing, and physical exertion. This helps birds use energy appropriately and supports healthier endocrine balance. Equally important, birds experience social exposure without breeding triggers. There are no nesting opportunities, no dark spaces, and no pair bonding cues, allowing social interaction without reinforcing reproductive behaviour. Happy Beak works closely with Dr. Rob Marshall, and we don't train unwell birds. The playpen doesn't replace veterinary care, it complements it. It's a practical way to address the lifestyle factors that so often sit underneath reproductive and behavioural disorders. The playpen operates alongside Happy Beak's trusted parrot boarding partners. These partners work closely with Dr. Rob Marshall's protocols and are familiar with his medications, supplements, dietary recommendations, and ongoing treatment plans. This creates a unified, full-spectrum service where veterinary care, environment, and daily management support one another. At its core, the playpen gives birds back the conditions their bodies and brains evolved to need, and when that happens, both health and behaviour often improve together.